Hello and fins up. Today I'm here to give you a walkthrough of this Antigua. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's check out this beauty. Neither I nor my brokerage are affiliated with Minto Communities, LMWS, or Latitude Margaritaville. And welcome into this Antigua. Now, right off the bat, nice quiet preserve view, right? So you've got this open living space. They did add the recessed lighting. It's got plenty of light flooding in. Here's your dining room. You're able to choose your own chandelier. And then here's the kitchen. This one is gas. And they've added a little buffet here just for pretties and stuff. You've got your pantry, of course. Let's go back here into the guest quarters. Plenty of space. Notice how quiet it is outside that window. And then you have the washer and dryer. Now what I like what they've done in here is that they stacked the washer and dryer so they could add kind of a mudroom concept here. I thought that was great. Now I need to share this garage because look at what has been installed. So much storage. It's fantastic. It's a great idea you can add to yours. Now let's check out the guest bath. And they've taken that tile up. Beautiful, nice tall marble look. And don't forget, when you build yours, you get to choose your countertops. So we walk through the living room. In the main bed, you've got these natural tray ceilings. You can add the can lights, and you can also add the high-low outlets to mount your TV. You've got plenty of space in here. You also have the option to add blinds or, as you can see, plantation shutters. In the bathroom, they chose to have the tile go all the way to the top of the shower and also added a seamless shower glass. Those are all options you can make. Again, you can determine your countertops and that sink shape. And of course, you've got a closet, but there's people's things in there, so I don't want to go through it. And the water closet. Let's check out the den. In this den, they did add the doors, so you could make this a guest room or an office, whatever pops your socks. And I love the plantation shutters through here. This owner chose to add pavers instead of the standard brushed concrete. Of course, you can see the hot tub, and they screened in the standard size porch because their preference was to have more green space. And as you know, there is a separation for the connected buildings, and it just depends on what your view is, what you'll see out here. So I came outside so that you could see the exterior a little bit more clearly. So for more information, give me a call or text me. I can give you all the details on this, or you can look in the description below. So give me a ring. All right, talk to you later. Bye.